Nettle cordage is a wonderful way of just understanding more about the range of plants that exist, and in this particular case, understanding where you can get fibres from the nettle in order to make cordage, to make a rope. And then from that skill, you can extend that in all sorts of different ways, to make bracelets, to make nets, all sorts of skills. So it's just really starting to appreciate the plant in its different ways. So you see this, so this is what you want to end up with. And then I'm going to hang it on a string to dry.
Oh yeah.
Wait, can I do it?
Someone else need a nettle? Just go for it.
Can I do that?
Do you want a glove as well? From the nettle, pull out a fibre that's no thinner than this. So this or a bit thicker. Twist away the right and then take it over the left so that now becomes the right. And this is cordage making. And you end up with a nice little bracelet of cordage.